So the first thing that you want to do to place a decal is to either have something on your wall like a picture frame or a TV screen, computer screen, and you want to look straight on at that element. So what I'm going to do is do my section cut tool. So I'm going to make a section cut that points at my picture frame, so my arrow's pointing that way. It's within the dotted box. And then I'm going to go and view that section. So I'm looking straight on at my picture frame now. And I can go to Insert tab, click on the decal arrow, and go to Place Decal. And then this is where you'll see all your decals you created. I only have one, the cats. So you'll click on that. And then you want your cursor, very, very important, the cursor to click into the middle of your object. So TV screen, computer screen, picture frame. Have your cursor click in the middle and then hit escape. And it's good to have realistic on so that you can see. And you'll notice now my cat image is on my screen. And then you can grab, excuse me. So these blue dots haven't been working recently. So if you can move it there, if not, you can change the width here. So I can change it to be 3 feet, and then I can move it down and into that screen and continue adjusting it. And that's how you insert a decal.